People don't bother to read the actual nitty-gritty of the conference call or speak to the CEOs or listen. And what happens is they just say, wait a second, why am I paying up 5 for Caterpillar? President Trump hates China, and that's the end because China's mentioned repeatedly. And so they take a look as if it's the old days of 6 months ago, and they just enthusiastically jump in. And then other sellers come in because they say, whoa, this is my chance to get out ahead of tariffs, my chance to get out ahead of rate hikes. So earnings per share trump for a few minutes, and then we're back to the backdrop.
You know, it's not just confined to industrials, though, Jim. I mean, even Netflix, which had that incredible quarter, has come back, I believe, right around the level it was prior to reporting the quarter itself. I might be off a little bit on that, but the theme is the same. We're talking stock is down recently after, again, a quarter that was as good as anybody who could have followed the stock hoped for if they were positive.
Absolutely. There's just a tremendous amount of weakness underneath where people just say, these are all on quicksand. And then you get the Proctors and you get the Kimberly-Clarks. And you're just like, oh my God, Colgate's on Friday. Where do I hide? The stocks that you want to hide, and look at Clorox has come down very much, hasn't reported yet. The bank stocks, Dave, reported incredible numbers. Have you ever seen a group of stocks do nothing on incredible numbers? So yes, it's absolutely true. United Technologies, just fantastic. But I get United Technologies, but then I get Sherwin-Williams, raw costs up. But then I get Pulte Homes, which looks great, but then I get the 10-year, which looks bad. What I'm saying is there's a yin and a yang. And what people are concerned about is they don't want to be the one who is caught paying off. Now, Greg Hayes, United Technologies, you've got the possibility, Rockwell's going to close, possibility of them splitting up. You've got Climate, 10%. You got Pratt Whitney, Aerospace, up 18, 16. You got military up 20. And people just say, well, I'm going to pay up. And then sellers just come in like,
all right, but UTX is looking, missiles. They do. UTX is looking up this morning, as is Caterpillar for now. As you just pointed out, good quarters from both. Very good quarter from Caterpillar, by the way, right?
Monster, and a huge guide up. But David, once again, 6 months ago, Caterpillar would be headed to 180. But we're all afraid it's fear, that if you, the ZTE fear is what I call it.
Okay.
You covered it. The idea that we could actually be consistent in trying to squelch good relations with China, and then we bring out people, the government brings out people on the weekend that say, whoa, you're okay. But then the actual tweets and the message, and we'll see from Macron, is you guys got to start playing fair.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.